Imagine standing on a vast, wind-scoured plateau of bare black rock. Nothing grows here. The sun beats down with an unforgiving intensity. The air is thin and cold. It is a landscape that feels utterly, profoundly dead. But then you see it. Clinging tenaciously to a sheer cliff face is a small, dark green smudge. It appears to be a patch of lichen, or a hardy moss. Yet, on closer inspection, it is something else entirely. A plant, complete with tiny waxy leaves, and a root system that disappears directly into the unyielding stone. This is not a plant growing in a crack filled with soil. It is a plant growing from the rock itself. It appears to be eating stone. The discovery of Lithotrophos mirabilis occurred in one of the most inhospitable environments on our planet. High in Chile's Atacama Desert, on a newly exposed volcanic plateau known as the Obsidian Fields. Over 4,000 meters up, the air is painfully thin, UV intense. Rain is almost mythical. The ground is sharp volcanic glass and metal-rich basalt, polished by relentless winds. Temperatures swing from scorching midday heat to well below freezing after dark. Black, gray, empty blue sky. In this seemingly sterile landscape, the plant was first sighted. A team studying mineralogy almost missed it. A flicker of green against obsidian blackness. They expected moss. They found structured vascular plants, tiny rosettes clinging to vertical stone. No detritus, no pockets of soil. Roots fused with stone. Microscopic tunnels and a faint powder. Evidence of active boring. The process by which Lithotrophos mirabilis consumes rock is a masterpiece of slow, patient biochemistry. More alchemy than botany. It does not grind, it dissolves. Root tips excrete a specialized cocktail of weak organic acids. Lithorhizoids, finer than human hair, ooze this solution continuously. The acids seep into pores and fissures of the rock, targeting bonds that hold mineral crystals together. Over weeks, months, even years, the matrix begins to yield. The plant does not work alone. Endophytic microbes, bacteria, and fungi live on and within its roots. They collate freed ions, iron, magnesium, potassium, making them bioavailable. Tiny miners and refiners, extracting what the plant cannot. In return, the plant sends precious sugars to feed its microbial workforce. Two-part system. Acids dissolve, microbes process. First, root hairs press and release their acidic cocktail. Second, the outer layer dissolves, freeing ions. Third, microbes capture and convert them. Finally, the plant draws stone into living tissue, leaves, stems, and roots. Surviving on a diet of rock is only half the battle. It contends with brutal aridity and extreme energy demands. Microscopic grooves channel dew and rare fog toward the root base. At night, leaves curl into cups to capture every drop. High UV challenges photosynthesis, so its leaves wear natural sunblock, dark pigments that filter light. Energy is budgeted ruthlessly, little for rapid growth, much for acids and microbes. Growth is glacial. A dinner plate colony may be centuries old. It detects stress fractures, applies chemical and subtle physical pressure, and mines new territory. Reproduction is rare, energy-intensive, a single small flower, pollinated by high-altitude insects. Seeds carry a starter culture of microbes in sticky gel. If it lands on suitable stone, the gel anchors and nourishes the seedling. Then begins the methodical consumption of the world beneath it. How does a plant learn to eat rock? Two primary hypotheses. First, gradual change. From extremophilic lichens and hardy crevice plants, tiny advantages in acid exudation accumulated. In hyper-arid obsidian fields, slightly stronger acids meant slightly better survival, amplified over millennia. Symbiosis with microbes deepened, refining a rock-dissolving alliance. Second, horizontal gene transfer. Rock-eating microbes may have donated genes, enzymes for dissolution or chelation. A leap acquired, then honed by selection. Likely both pathways. Scientists are sequencing lithotrophos and symbiont genomes for microbial genes embedded in plant DNA. Solving this enigma could reveal new mechanisms for how complex life evolves, a lineage forged by patience, partnership, and pressure. This discovery is more than curiosity. It could reshape science and industry. The plant selectively dissolves rock, releasing specific metal ions. Biomining, phytomining, seed low-grade ore with engineered plants or synthetic mimics. Copper, nickel, rare earths, from rock too poor to mine conventionally. Harvest metal-rich biomass, incinerate to recover metals, or milk minerals without killing plants. Transform waste into reserves, shrink mining's footprint, and unlock new resources. Astrobiology must recalibrate. Lithotrophos shatters the soil paradigm. Life can feed directly off geology. Worlds we called sterile may hide lithivores within rock, living on minerals and scant moisture. Future missions should sniff for organic acids and micro-boring signatures, the chemistry of stone-eating life. The story of Lithotrophos mirabilis is a profound reminder of nature's boundless ingenuity, a tale of quiet persistence and an unyielding drive to exist. It challenges the boundary between living and non-living, turning rock into sustenance. Given enough time, life can solve any problem. This discovery rekindles wonder, central to science. If a plant can eat rock, what other strategies wait in Earth's hidden corners? We must study its genetics, biochemistry, ecology, and protect its fragile habitat. Its quiet chemistry could drive sustainable mining and guide our search for life beyond Earth. Sometimes the greatest wonders aren't in distant stars, but in the tenacious grip of a tiny plant on a lonely rock. If this glimpse into the impossible sparked your curiosity, like this video, subscribe for more journeys into the unknown and share the story of the plant that eats rocks.